A is father of B, but B is not son of A. How is it possible?
ये तो मैथ्स की क्वेश्चन हो
A is the father of B.
But B is not son of A. How is it possible?
Maybe he's having some other affair or something like that.
Extramarital affair. How is it possible?
Extramarital affair. A is father of B, but B is not son of A.
Neighbor's kid maybe.
B, okay, B might be the son of someone else, somebody else.
A is father of B, but B is not son of A. I have no clue, bro.
I have like weirdest straight in my mind right now.
Go ahead, say that.
Maybe daughter?
That's
Daughter.
she is
Okay,
the
she's a daughter.
Radhika, you are a daughter.
Okay, yeah.
What goes up but never comes down? Don't think dirty.
Okay. Oh God. What goes up but never comes down? Maybe hydrogen balloon? Helium balloon, but sorry, helium, sorry. It has to come down eventually.
What goes up that never comes down?
I have a non-veg answer.
No non-veg answers. Can I be more motivational? My spirits.
Ego.
No, it's not even.
What goes up but never comes. A helium balloon.
No.
Yes, a helium balloon goes up, it goes to space. It doesn't come down ever. What goes up but never comes down? I know this. Yeah, even I have heard about it. I don't know the answer rather. It goes up, then comes down. Is it age? Is it? Oh.
Dude, it's age.
Oh my God. See?
It's your age. It's not gonna.
Oh.
A word which has all 5 vowels in it.
A word. यार ये पढ़ाते थे कि बचपन में पढ़ते थे यार अब भूल गए. Word which has all 5 vowels in it. No idea. Vowels. A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U.
All of them, it's all of them.
So make it a word.
Is it in a particular order or like any order?
No, any order.
Arey, I knew this. 1 second. All 5 vowels, right?
Yeah.
I knew it.
I guess bourgeois has all 5 vowels. No, it doesn't have a U in it. I have no idea. I think I knew this also. Dictionary.
No,
No, it doesn't have any. It doesn't have. Oh yeah. No, you could have taken it that way. Sorry.
By the way, it's a very important thing in your life.
Water, air, oxygen, और कुछ shopping.
One of the most important thing in life. Not sex. Whether it's education.
Crap, yeah. That doesn't play any role in our lives. Go away.
It's education.
Education,
Yeah.
but it contains C also.
So what the?
Okay, yeah.
Education.
Okay. That was so easy. Yeah, man.
Okay, what is the capital of Assam?
Assam, Meghalaya, I guess. My GK is very poor in state, sorry. Assam, I have no idea.
You can answer.
Google.
Capital of Assam. Guwahati.
No.
Assam is Guwahati. Meghalaya.
No.
God.
Meghalaya is a
State. Assam is the capital, I guess. No.
It's a state.
No. Sorry.
What is the capital of Assam?
Assam. You belong from Siliguri, right?
You should know.
You should know the answer, right?
Silchar, I think.
No. No.
Please, my GK is 0.
Imphal? No, sorry. Imphal?
No.
Pass. Next question, please.
Capital of Assam.
Guwahati. Guwahati. So obsessed with geography. It is. Yeah, Guwahati.
Not Guwahati.
What? Capital of? No, that's another state. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, capital of
No,
Assam.
Guwahati is not a state.
Yeah, I know that. No, she said Mizoram. Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay.
That's Dishpur.
What?
This
हाँ, yeah, right. अरे यार. कोई बात नहीं. But